Hi, I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Addicts, and this is episode 83 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions, and he answers the questions. You can also compliment the crew and put your complaints on there as well. We go through all the questions, we get the cool, the funny, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So in today's episode, we'll be talking about your sailing sign card, logoed Carnival decks of playing cards, hub app with specialty drink menus, aerosol cans of disinfectant, and the Radiance and her dry dock updates. Pretty cool ones. All right, question one. This cruiser asked if they will be going back to giving out the sail and sign cards as you check in, like they used to. So if you remember back in the day, you would go check in, they would go through the thingy, find your sail and sign card, you'd have it in your hand when you walked on the ship. I kind of like that myself, because a lot of times now you get to your room and your key's not there yet. So, John said, no, they're not going to be doing that. It delayed things at embarkation, and it's much quicker, much more convenient the way they're doing it, where the crew actually brings them, puts them in your mailbox or outside your room when you get there. So, much as I like getting them before you get on the boat, that's not going to happen. They're not going back to it. It takes way too long to get people on the boat, which also makes sense. Do you want your card or a drink? I'm going with the drink. That's just me. Question crew. This Carnival cruiser wanted to know if they can purchase Carnival logoed playing cards in the gift shops. Answer, yes, you absolutely can. They do have them in the gift shops. And he said if you wanted a complimentary pack of cards from the casino, just go to the cage and you can get a deck of cards from there. They will have a little nip on the side so you can't bring them back to the tables. So if you like to play blackjack and cards and you think you can sneak in a couple extra cards, not going to be able to. They mark them. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you like cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate it. This cruiser asked, on the hub app, can they put the specialty drink menus at the specialty bars listed under bar information? So if you wanted to go to the piano bar and they have a signature drink, or if you're going to any of the specialty bars, they all have a different drink that they make there. And they don't do it on all the things. So having it on the hub app would be a great idea. John said he agrees. This is a great idea, and he is going to bring it up to the Beards to see if that's something they can do. I love that idea myself. Question 4. Are aerosol cans of disinfectant spray permitted on board? John said, easy. Yes, they are. So if you don't want the wipes, or you want to bring your own stuff, or that big old can of Lysol and hit everything down before you lie down, you most certainly can. This cruiser asked about the Radiance and her fresh dry dock. They had heard that there would be some new carpet, flooring, and some ADA improvements, but what about anything else? John said she has a new interior area of the Lido Deck buffet, a new design there, and everyone will love it. There have been a ton of ADA upgrades at the bars and some of the cabins throughout the ship. You will see new flooring, tiling, decking, and carpeting. So they basically refreshed the whole ship, which is great. So now it's like a new ship you can go on. We got to go on that one day. I don't think we've been on that yet. Anyway, that was episode 83 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.